There are a lot of other great health stories out there that you're going to be talking about, so let's get right to Dr. Alan Magaziner from the Magaziner Center for Wellness in Cherry Hill. Thanks for being here.
Hi, Lauren.
Let's start with a new study about children with ADHD, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. British researchers found for the first time there may be a genetic link.
That's right. This is the first study that showed there may actually be a genetic link between ADHD, which is characterized by inattentiveness, impulsivity, of course hyperactivity, easily distractibility. And what they found is that some of these kids actually have deletions or duplications in their DNA matter, which is affecting their brain. And their brains actually develop differently from children who do not have ADHD. So it's a very interesting study, and it adds more fuel to the fire as to the complex nature between the interaction between the environment and our genes.
Because ADHD is estimated to affect 3 to 5% of school-age children in the U.S., so this could be very important for treatments in the future.
Absolutely. If this is the kind of thing that we need to develop new treatment modalities for, I think it's very promising. We need to pay more attention to the effect of our genetics and the impact of the environment.
All right, well, next, the FDA has approved 2 more fat busters. Cool Sculpting by Zeltiq, which promises to kill fat cells with coldness, and Dorona Cool Laser by Erconia that pricks the fat cells. I'm always skeptical about these. Do they really work, and are they dangerous?
It's hard to say at this point. These were just recently approved by the FDA, and we haven't seen the full effect of these. We don't know whether or not there are dangers. Some are concerned that there may be little particles of fat that may break off, but it's purely speculation at this time. I find this very interesting because there's other techniques out as well. One, in fact, that I've been doing for a number of years in my practice called thermage that actually uses heat to help contour and affect the body and trim the body. So it appears that maybe both heat and coldness may have beneficial effects.
How necessary is this? Can we just eat right and exercise, or in some cases we just can't get rid of certain things on our bodies and we need this?
Well, I think exercise and diet should absolutely be our first line of defense without question, but some people just either aren't willing to do enough of that, or they've done it and it's just not doing what they're looking for. So more and more people now are looking for non-invasive, non-surgical approaches to help trim themselves. All
right, Dr. Alan Magaziner, thanks so much for coming, and as always, great information.
Thanks so much, Lauren.